Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Stacy Cakes tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to do very quick and easy silhouettes for those cakes. So a lot of the work is going to start at home. You're going to go on the internet, you're going to decide what silhouettes you want to put on your cake. Then I'm a Mac user, so I use a Pages document. I just transfer it all there, and then I take a screenshot. There might be an easier way to do it, but this is how I do it. And then I take that screenshot and I flip it so that I have a reverse image. And then I print it out and I bring it to the bakery. It's the easiest way that I've found to do it. So hey, if you have any tips for me on how to do those documents easier, let me know. So I take my black buttercream, and this is just my standard black American buttercream recipe, and I like to have it a little warmer than room temperature. So I'll put it in my mixer, and I will take a torch and torch the side just for a little bit so that I have a really shiny, smooth, tiny bit warmer than room temperature buttercream, and this will just help it all mesh together. And I just trace my design. Super easy. You just trace it. And then you're gonna pick up your parchment paper. It's parchment paper over the paper, and pop it in the freezer. And while that is chilling, then you're gonna cover your cake. The most important thing with this technique is to make sure that the buttercream with the silhouette is cold so that it's set, and that way your designs don't smush. But the buttercream that you're putting the design on needs to be room temperature, not hardened. Otherwise, when you peel off your parchment paper at the end of the design, it's going to peel your silhouettes off with it. So I'm grabbing my silhouettes from the freezer, placing them on my wet icing. It's not firm. And then I just press those designs into the buttercream. And once all of that is pressed into the buttercream, I'm going to pop it in to the freezer for about 15 minutes. And all of that buttercream is going to solidify together. And now I can peel off that parchment paper so easily. Look at how nice that comes off. I can see I did press a little hard on my paper, and I got some paper design on my buttercream, but I'll just smooth that out a little bit. Not the end of the world. And throw a border on there, and there you go. Quick and easy silhouette cake. This cake took me about 20 minutes to decorate. Well, that's all I've got for you. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And if there's any techniques you want to learn, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Happy caking!